I'm Lima Lalmud, the product manager for Domo's Cloud Connector library. In this month's Domo Drop, I'm pleased to bring you an update to our connectors that will make it easier for customers to deploy AI products and agents. At Domo, we know that in order for an AI product to produce good results, the agent has to understand the data itself. Using data dictionaries and synonyms gives agents the context they need to improve the quality of the answers to the questions they are asked. Domo already gives you a way to add your own custom dictionary to each dataset via the AI Readiness tab. You can already specify the definition for fields in your dataset manually. But we know that this can sometimes be tedious, especially when the data dictionary might already be determined at the source, such as in database column comments, or the dictionary is a set of common industry terms, such as cost per meal or cost per click in digital marketing, or even worse, you have no idea what the field is actually referring to, which does happen. Wouldn't it be great if Domo could figure out whether the AI dictionary is already defined and add it at the time the dataset is being created? Well, I'm happy to tell you that Domo's connectors will now have the ability to do just that. If a connector is able to determine a data dictionary when a dataset is being populated, it will create a data dictionary for you. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. Let's look at a case where the data dictionary might have been defined at the source itself. Here you see me powering up the PostgreSQL connector. In Postgres, you can add comments on columns in a table, thereby creating a data dictionary on your Postgres database table. I happen to have a table in Postgres called 10 million rows consisting of 6 columns, and each of these columns has a comment on it in the table itself. When I power up the data set, I can now find an option at the bottom of the details section called Fetch Column Descriptions, comments. This toggle allows me to pull in any comments on a field that I have selected to import into Domo. I don't have to if I don't want to, but if I would like to bring in these comments, all I need to do is toggle that switch to on, click Next, and complete the power up process as usual. Once the dataset has run, you'll see that I have an AI readiness score of excellent because I have 6 columns enabled in my dictionary and all 6 columns have AI context. In fact, if we go over here to the AI Readiness tab, we'll see all the columns in that table that I selected and any comments that were included on that column in the database table itself. Pretty handy, right? But let's say that the comments that were in the table don't really reflect what I want the data dictionary to say in Domo. Well, I can fix that pretty easily. I can go into my dictionary, click Edit, and I can make any changes I want. So for instance, I'm going to change the definition for this column called ID from this is the user ID to primary ID, and click Save. I'm also going to disable the user profile column from my AI dictionary and the renewal date. Having made these changes, I can go back and run the connector. And you'll notice that those changes I made are still in effect. The connector will not overwrite the changes to the data dictionary that I have explicitly made. So you can see the ID there still has a context of primary ID, and these 2 columns are still disabled. By automatically adding an AI data dictionary to a dataset, Domo enables its customers to accelerate their AI journey with less overhead. My team and I are very excited to bring the feature to you. Currently, automatic data dictionaries are available on Postgres SQL connectors, Microsoft SQL connectors, Google Analytics, Domo Stats, and Domo Dimensions. Look forward to MySQL, Redshift, Search Ads 360, Google BigQuery, and NetSuite connectors enabling automatic data dictionaries next, followed by other popular connectors. My team and I are very excited to bring this feature to you. We look forward to seeing how you use it and how it accelerates your journey. So please drop us a line and tell us how the feature works for you in the Domo community.